Give us a break. You probably don't even have this story, but they opened that huge facility in China. Do you have this story? Since we're in the Tesla section of the show.
Shanghai?
Dude, they
or which one?
Like a fulfillment center. They're delivering so many cars in China right now. This is the biggest fulfillment center that they have in the world now. You go and pick up your car over here.
You just pick it up?
Let's see here. You got to find this news here, Will. Maybe the word is not fulfillment. Let's see. Go to news. Click the news button there under the search.
Oops.
There you go. There you go, Will. Oh, God. How can it not? Just type Tesla. Just type Tesla. It's got to be one of the top sources in my feed. Tesla China, even better. Damn. Scroll.
It's a Shanghai factory.
Scroll. I'm not talking factory, though. I'm talking, it's not like a showroom, but it's like you go to pick up your car there or something. Oh, for goodness gracious. For gosh sakes.
We're losing it here.
No, we're not. Type Tesla China new building. Yes. Lovely. Asia's largest delivery center. There you go.
Delivery center.
Look at this thing.
That's cool.
Look at that thing. I want to go there. We don't have one of those. I guess we don't deliver. I guess everyone just gets it.
Is this a waiting room?
Yeah, you're hanging out, man. Look how many cars they fit in there. And you go and let's read.
So you could pick it. You could order one and then just drive it out this lot?
Yeah.
Indoors?
Well, because it might be hard to get a delivery in some at an apartment or something. I'm trying to think why you wouldn't just want it delivered to if you don't have a driveway. Where are they delivering it to?
Where are you going to park then?
But where do you meet them? They don't go in your parking garage. You got to meet them out front on the road. That sucks. Or are you going to give them the code to get into the parking garage? How do people in apartments get their Teslas delivered? That's my question. You got to meet the guy outside? That feels very unceremonial. Anyway, let's scroll down and see exactly why this building has to be like this. 11,800 square meters with 101 parking spaces dedicated for delivery. Test drive experiences, sales, and delivery. Yeah, I guess you need to have some physical locations still, Will. Why not?
Yeah. All right.
I thought you were going to have that story, actually. I'm quite disappointed in the Tesla section of the show.
It wasn't in my feed, unfortunately.
I'm kidding. I don't know. How can you have everything? It's tough. So, I mean, you got to be you're running around out there.
Yeah.
You got stuff to do.
Too much running in circles.
You got the whole fitness wardrobe down. Now, that's how I know it took you over. Yeah. Next thing you know, you're going to have wearing the outfits where it like reflects light, so it's not dangerous when the car's at night.
Mm-hmm. I'm constantly yelling at people.
Yeah, you're going to be reflecting soon, and you're going to have all the sensors, and you're going to be tracking everything.
Mm-hmm. Just have like a band of smartwatches.
That's right. That's gonna be you soon.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be having a smoothie
while I'm running.
No, right after.
That I make my own in a cold press.
Damn. Does Otis get a little smoothie or no?
Sure, yeah.